Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's a super sunny day. The kids are still on holiday, summer holidays. So I thought I'll make them a cake which has got all their favorite flavors. So I've got very sad looking bananas, which I really need to use. And they love a banana cake. So I'm going to combine lots of chocolate in it. I'm going to combine some crunchy peanut butter in it, and I'm going to make a nice big cake that we can later this evening. We've got friends coming and we can share it with everyone. So I have got a 10-inch round cake tin, greased and lined, ready. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe before I start baking. And I'm just using a stand mixer. This is one cake that you can just easily make with a wooden spoon or just a hand whisk as well. So I have got here 250 grams of softened butter. I didn't even have to take it out of the fridge. I just took it out an hour this morning before, and it's so soft because it's such a lovely warm day. Right. So 250 grams of butter and 300 grams of golden caster sugar. I'm just going to whisk this for a couple of minutes, and in the meantime I'll collect all the rest of the ingredients. So I'll just beat this on here to smoothen it out. So to this I'm going to add 100 grams of crunchy peanut butter. I want that little bit of bite to it. Now I'm going to break in 4 eggs. And I'm going to add 3 bananas. I'm just going to mash it. They're so soft that they can just be mashed by hands. In goes 350 grams of self-raising flour, teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon of bicarb of soda, 100 grams of natural yogurt, and I'm just going to chop up some chocolate. So this is 150 grams of dark chocolate. You could use milk chocolate, but I prefer dark chocolate because it kind of balances out the sweetness of the banana. So before I add the chocolate, I'm just going to beat this in all together till it comes together. I don't have to overbeat it. Oh dear. So that only takes a few seconds. I'm just going to get this all out. And now I'm just going to fold it with by hand. Such a light, fluffy cake mix. And I've got, like I said, prepared tin. Just gonna add it in. So I've got the oven nice and hot at 180°C, and I'm going to put this in for an hour first. Then it might take another 15 minutes, but I'm going to check in an hour what the situation is like. So So I have got here 200 grams of chopped up chocolate. You could use milk chocolate, dark chocolate. I usually use dark chocolate, but today I'm using a bit of milk chocolate. And I've got 200 ml of boiled up cream, double cream. I'm going to pour and leave it for 2 minutes to let the chocolate melt before I stir in. And now it's been 2 minutes. The chocolate has melted. Stir it in until it mixed, and then it goes on top of the cake. Now you can let this set a little bit because it's a bit runny, or you can pour it runny. I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes like this. There's the cake ready, or have cooled down. This has been sitting for half an hour. It's looking lovely. There we go. You can let that slide on the sides, and that's why try and take a plate with a little lip on the side. Oops. So the sauce doesn't go to waste. So that's what is left of the cake from last night. Everyone ate the extra ganache. And yeah, everyone loved the cake, which is always amazing and great. And I have got some slices left for today's lunch. So yeah, I'm going to tell you how it tastes. Essentially, I know how the cake tastes because I had it last night. There's so much glare happening anyways, but I thought I will taste a slice for you guys to tell you how amazing. Light. You taste the banana and peanuts straight away. The chocolate is just the perfect addition to bring it all together. It's the easiest cakes. Everyone will love it, I promise. What is good is you can make it a day in advance. You don't have to keep it in the fridge if you are making it for a party. But try it. Let me know your thoughts. Come back for another recipe. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.